Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. So welcome to the class of spoken English. So let's do first of all the new words. To enhance your vocabulary, first of all let's do the new words. The first word is relief. How you pronounce this word as relief? Relief means comfort and it is an adjective. She breathed a sigh of relief at being safe. Now this is how you can use this word in a sentence. Next is intense. How you pronounce this word as intense? Intense means high. Like after many years of intense study, he received his medical degree. Now today's topic is describe your favorite weather. Now first of all, whenever you have to describe something, first of all give the introduction of that topic. What this topic is asking about. Now this topic is mainly focusing on the term weather. So first of all describe your favorite weather. First of all tell what is weather, then give the answers of these questions and try to speak this topic for at least 1.5 minutes, right? So how you can start up with this topic is like weather is a short-term atmospheric condition. It keeps changing every now and then. We enjoy many types of weather in India. We have hot weather in summers and cold weather in winters. Now tell the answer of these questions, right? What kind of weather it is? You can say the pleasant weather. When this weather usually occurs in the month of March and in the beginning of April, right? Or you can say this is a very welcome weather because it brings great relief from the intense cold of winter, right? Next question is what you usually do during this weather. Like you can say I spend the time outdoors, go for a ride or anything that you like. Explain how this weather affects you. You can say I enjoy this weather a lot. It brings a sense of joy and happiness. Spring is a season of festivals. Holi is a festival of eating and drinking, you can say. And explain why you like this festival. Again, you can mention that it is a good time to do the things outside, to enjoy the long evenings. So this is how you have to elaborate your ideas and give your own viewpoints while describing any topic. Right? So I hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.